Welcome to 2 Minute Art Talks. I am Michael Carini, and today I want to let you know that you are not less of an artist if you do this as a hobby, if this is just a side thing for you, if you don't make money off of your work, if you haven't painted in a day, a week, a month, maybe even a year. You are not less of an artist. We are all on our own independent journeys. We all do this for different reasons. I do this for a living. This is my job. But you are not a lesser artist because maybe you do this as a hobby or you do it on the side, like I said. Being an artist is about sharing a story. It's about passion. It's about vulnerability. It's about soul. And it's about making the world a better, more beautiful place. And how you choose to do that is up to you. But I never want you to feel like you are lesser than because maybe you don't do something the way another person does or you don't do it at the level that they do. Never compare yourself with other artists. You are on your own independent journey. I like to say that I am never competing with any other artist, that I am on my own journey. So whether you have more experience than me, less experience than me, I want to encourage you and support you on your journey and let you know that you are an artist. And maybe you haven't made something in a long time. Maybe the world's even conditioning you into believing that you are not an artist because you haven't done it for such a long time. Maybe people told you it wasn't practical. Maybe you didn't have support from friends and family. Maybe you didn't go to art school. Again, you are not less of an artist because of these things. If you make art, you are an artist. But maybe it is time for you to get back to making work if you have strayed a little bit from this. And if you're having that question, make some art, and that will prove that you are an artist. I'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me.